Imagine walking through a prehistoric forest and suddenly seeing a plant that looks nothing like a tree, nothing like a fern, and nothing like anything alive today, more like a giant bottle brush standing upright in the mud. This wasn't science fiction. This was a real plant that lived 350 million years ago. This strange organism is Sanfordiacaulis densifolia, one of the most unusual plants ever discovered from the early Carboniferous period. It stood only about 2 meters tall, yet its crown stretched an astonishing 5 to 6 meters across, forming a wide, brush-like canopy balanced on a thin, non-woody stem. Sanfordiacaulis carried over 250 leaves, arranged in a tight, non-Fibonacci spiral around its trunk. The preserved portions of these leaves measure about 1.75 meters, while their full estimated length reaches 2.7 meters. Despite its size, it wasn't a tree in the modern sense, more like a giant herbaceous plant with an oversized crown that dominated the space around it. What makes this plant even more mysterious is that scientists cannot place it into any known plant group. No reproductive structures were found, leaving its evolutionary relationships completely uncertain. It may have been related to early ferns, early lycophytes, or something entirely separate, an evolutionary outlier that appeared briefly and vanished without leaving descendants. And the reason we know so much about this bizarre plant is extraordinary. Sanfordiacaulis is preserved in 3 dimensions, not as a flattened imprint. A catastrophic earthquake-triggered landslide buried the plants upright, rapidly covering them in fine sediment and protecting them from decay. This rare event captured their structure in remarkable detail, a perfect snapshot of a vanished ecosystem. Sanfordiacaulis densifolia remains both a scientific curiosity and a window into the experimental nature of early forests. It shows us that evolution once explored shapes and strategies that disappeared long ago, leaving behind only fossils and questions.